Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, March 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly, I still think this is the end of a correction, which makes this a 1, a 2, and I still think we're in a big wave 3. If this is a big wave 3, we're probably going all the way up to the 161.8 Fibonacci extension of wave 1, projected out the bottom of wave 2, probably minimum is that is where we're headed, which is all the way up to about the $2,550 area. So definitely primarily looking for longs. So going down to the weekly, I still think that this right here is the one right back here. That's that main wave 1. This is the ABC of 2. Now I think we're in a wave 3, which would make this a subdivision 1, subdivision 2, and subdivision 3. I do think we are making a move to the downside on shorter time frames, but I think it's just going to be a correction, and I think this is all just subdivisions of a big wave 3. So we're in a wave 3 already, so we should be in a wave 3 of wave 3 according to this weekly time frame. Taking it down to the daily, I mean, you can definitely see a five-way pattern, pretty nice five-way pattern too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which tells me that it probably is going to break this structure. Now, I do think that this move is just going to be a correction, and I do think that eventually it is just going to keep on trending up. But most likely it's going to be a pretty significant correction, which potentially could go anywhere between 38 and 78% of this whole move up. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I mean, I do have my Fibonacci retracement on here, but I do expect that it is going to go down, take out the low wave 4. These Fibonacci areas are definitely areas of resistance, even if it does keep on going, which I actually think it is going to keep on going, and I think this is all part of a wave A of an ABC correction like what I was showing on the 4 hour time frame. Definitely don't think the wave A is over, and I would for sure primarily be looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. We had an amazing setup in the Asian session last night. That was like a picture perfect ABC correction. Now, I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short right now, but if it does make another decent little pullback, another nice little ABC, especially if you can throw your Fibonacci retracement on there and you get a Fibonacci retracement bounce, 3 waves up, Fibonacci bounce, impulsive engulfing move to the downside is definitely what I would be looking for. Like I said, I think it's going to take out the low of wave 4. I think this is an A of a bigger ABC correction. That really, this ABC correction is actually like a daily to weekly time frame ABC correction. So I do think we are going to go down probably at least for 4 to 6 weeks, maybe even longer. But I do think eventually this is going to continue that wave 3 of wave 3 to the upside, like what I was showing on the monthly and weekly time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here below. As always, thanks and happy trading.